so bright. Mine's either soggy or too dry to bite, blanch it. It wills, fry it. It's tough, I've tried and failed. That's more than enough. But an old fisherman said, don't rush salt flour, cold water, that's your hush. Let it soak, let the dirt drip free. Clean food begins with respect, you see. Oh, why the restaurant's so fragrant? It's not magic, it's patience. Crab golden, crisp and clean. Cauliflower bright, still full of green. One bite and I finally understand. It's care in the cleaning, fire in the pan. Not fancy tools, not secret spice, just love done right, done twice. 4 crabs for 20 on a splurge, I confess. But I wanted that sweetness, that ocean caress. Clean the gill, scrape the shell. No grit, no waste, just truth to tell. Toss them in starch, fry low and slow. Let the shell turn gold, let the juices glow. Then stir fry fast with garlic, heat and greens that snap beneath the beat. Oh, a restaurant's so fragrant because someone refused to settle. They rinsed, they fried, they timed it true, and cooked like someone they love was due. Red pepper bright, white florets gleam. This table's now my altar, my dream. The secret's not in the chef's hand, it's in the one who wouldn't let go of the plan. They'll tell you cooking's for the blessed, with stainless steel and skills confessed. But I say great flavor lives in care, in rinsing twice, in standing there. This isn't just a dish I made, it's every I can do better I obeyed. It's I'm worth the time it takes, even when no one else is watching and no one else partakes. So why the restaurant so fragrant? Because home just ketchup. Crab golden, crisp and clean. Cauliflower wrap still full of teen. Let the world keep chasing fame. I've got a pen that knows my name. The secret was tamed hidden spice. It was in me, do it right.总飘着光，我找的却总差那口香。吸着怕烟，有着怕烟，原来秘诀藏在老岳父掌心。面粉裹住尘和手，水浸泡洗出尽头，不离不烫，只靠火候虽能今天，才叫成功。 空腹为饮清晨，花才那么小，是火候藏在时光里鸟。热水金黄裹着鲜光，一口下去，心都凉了，催嫩无息，自高音如满足叹息。红酒碎嫩，细哭声漏，烟风都停在窗台头上。红酒翠绿，写客善良，连风都停在窗台头上。这人间烟火不浮夸，却滚烫，是你给我的最咸的奖赏。20块买了3只蟹，说贵却笑得比谁都甜。摘下趣味，刷进泥沙，每一步都是爱的密码。过分下锅，小火慢炸，外壳琐碎，内里嫩如花。没说辛苦，却把鲜香全沉进那只白瓷碗。花才那么小，是真心熬过冷早茶。热山轻狂裹着月光，一口下去，泪都藏了。红酒翠绿，满屋飘香，连孤独都靠在门边望。这平凡日子因你而亮，花才那么像是家在回响。他们说纤维要密放，要溃了要张扬，我却在面粉水里看清了光。可这香气啊，比任何技巧都绵长，因为我炒的不是菜，是不肯将就的倔强。那些没说的泪，都在火候里熬成了香。那些没实现的梦，都在这口咸里慢慢发光。火才那么香，是千万次失败后的光。没水晶糊裹着希望，一口下去，世界都亮。黄酒翠绿，满城飘香，千万个厨房因你而凉堂。别信天赋才做得好，你认真炒的就是最好。会为什么这首歌一听就爱上？